So what we're going to be doing today is building a boat from a wheelbarrow, part 1. So I got these untightened and I'm going to be using these as my propellers. I got a little bit of spray paint there, but I need to go grab some more. So when I get some more, I'll talk back with you guys. So now that we got that one done, let's do this one. It is really buggy out, so that's why I'm wearing a mask. And I already got that one out. So we're gonna be doing this one. Okay, so we got all the brackets and all that stuff together right now. Okay, so everyone, we're gonna be painting the inside of this and then all the way around this. Good. This is a mess. I'm organized, right? But get to the point. Finished painting this right here, spray painting it. Besides like the few drizzles of paint, everything's meant, okay? I'm a pro at this. Don't need that. I should probably be wearing gloves for this, but yeah, I'm gonna be putting gloves onto this. I swear to God, if I'm one size short, look, no wonder it wouldn't go through. It was drilling the opposite way. I totally knew that. You really didn't. On to the next 1, 2, 3 screws. Okay, let's go. So sweet, okay, we got everything pretty much done. I just gotta put this bracket right here, hook these up, and then I just gotta screw this, and they're right here. So that should be done. For right now, we'll end the video right here, and I'll see you again in part 2, where we'll hopefully put this thing in the water. Thank you for watching. Please comment, subscribe, and like the video. Thank you.